Well, hello, my curlies. Yeah, I know it's been a while. From what my realtor tells me, I need to get rid of everything personal. So like photographs and, things that people can't imagine themselves in the space. So I have to get rid of everything. Not get rid of it, but pack it. So instead of putting it aside to put it out to pack it again, I'm just packing it, and I am going to take it to my mother's house and get it out of here. But yeah, so this is what I look like when I am working. This is what is happening here, which is why there's no hair video. Sorry, but wait until you see how much I've gotten accomplished. Are you ready? Let's do this. Oh, the stuff you find when you are downsizing. Now, my husband and I bought this butcher block cabinet at IKEA right after we were married. This thing sat in the kitchen until I redid it 9 years ago. It wound up going into the living room and then somehow ended up in the corner of my dining room. Anyway, of course, there is no video, but I promise you it was packed. There were more frames, but I boxed them up already. 2 boxes have been filled with what was in here. I found my graphic design stuff with all of my pencils and sharpeners. I even found my father's old drafting pens he had given me. They're all dried up now. I guess it's time to throw them out. One of my husband's license plates. I also found our old video camera with a treasure trove of tapes, my old digital camera that I used in photography, a camera that actually takes film and the film is used, a couple of handheld digital cameras, and 2 binoculars, the treasure trove, and they all work. Spray adhesive from when I was doing photography. I will also say that it's very emotional because I've been finding a lot of photographs that were not put in albums, which is pretty much most of it, and it's making me cry. Memories like the corners of my mind. What a job, my girls and guys. What a job. So yes, all of this is going to have to be gone. I also found our cake topper, which we actually thought this was funny, but who knew it would be a precursor to our marriage. The glass, because we were both Jewish, and so the glass got broken, and my mom saved it for us. Just so much. I even cleared out all the candles and books that were on the bottom shelf of this table, and cleared out that tall cabinet that you guys saw in a previous video. This is the pile so far of the boxes downstairs. And this is all of the stuff that's upstairs. All of my summer clothes, they're all going to my mom's. Until next time, cheers and ciao for now. Oh crap. I don't have anyone coming. And there's this little spawn, the first spawn. There he is. No Wubby though. Wubby is on the stairs. Until next time, cheers.